In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the Copy Style tool to instantly apply formatting between elements across pages in your Canva project. Let's use this project as an example. On page 1, I have a text box with customized font, size, and effects. I want to replicate this exact style onto another text box on page 2 without manual adjustments. First, select the style text box on page 1. Locate the copy style icon and click it. Canva now stores this formatting profile. Navigate to page 2. Click the target text box you wish to reformat. Instantly, Canva transfers all original styling, exact font, size, color, spacing, and effects. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Canva editing techniques. Thanks for watching.